Tree Made Easy.
Hello, Abusia. Mema wakwaba ever Tree Made Easy so. Welcome to Tree Made Easy. Ene, yebishia stani ebeka atinka wudua yenya woni pedriani mu ewo tree. Today, we are going to learn some vocabulary around human emotions. Why a crado? Yes, shasie. Shyness. Ferie. 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 Hatred. Otine. 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 Love. Odo. 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 Shame or embarrassment. Any wool. Any wool. Any wool. Laziness or boredom. Anyha. 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 I'm shy. Me ferret. Me ferret. Me ferret. I hate this. Mimpewe. 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 I love you. Middo. 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 I'm ashamed. Menyewu. 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 I'm feeling lazy. Menyaha. 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 Let's test our knowledge. What emotion is this? Did you say ferie? Anne, ferie. Why are dear pa? Now where's way? Bodo. Ordo bonsamam. What about this emotion? Anyha. Anyha. Anne. Aya dear. And this emotion? Or time. Or time. Why are dear pa? And this emotion? Any woe. Any woe. Why are dear pa? Mumbo munse mama. Yedam wase. Yebeshevio. We shall meet again on the next lesson. Bye.
Comme des miens na me boafu.
Comme des miens
na me boafu.
Efrise, enyame na me to.
Comme des miens na me boafu.
Thank you for watching. Join our YouTube family. Like, subscribe, and share. Bye.